Chase away my heart and heartache. Run me over, throw me over, cast me out. Find a river running to the west wind. Just above the shoreline you will see a cloud. Tie me to a tiny wooden raft. Watch me drift and watch me struggle, let me go. 'Cause I really wanna know, will anybody ever love me? For good reasons, without grievance, not for sport. Will anybody ever love me? In every season, pledge allegiance to my heart. Pledge allegiance to my burning heart.
Today is a pretty cool day because I'm seeing Molière the musical. It's a French musical again. It is in Paris and I'm very excited because I have been seeing this show everywhere on social media, on TikTok, on Instagram, everywhere. I've seen so many videos. I heard about this musical, I think a year ago. I was just scrolling through Instagram and then I saw like, oh, new musical in Paris, Molière. And I was like, oh, this looks like Hamilton. This is the logo of the show. So basically the M that is yellow and pretty much looks like Hamilton, I'm not gonna lie. I heard that the whole show is in rap style or slam style. So I'm pretty excited because Hamilton is basically one of the best shows. So I'm excited to see how the French managed to get close or not to Hamilton. It is the story of Molière, the playwright. So we'll see. And now I'm going to eat. I'm cooking. I've got an egg with some tomato rice. So now I'll eat and then I'll go because I have like an hour to get to the venue. Oh, I'm going with my sister and my mom, the original trio. So that is very exciting. So yeah, let's eat.
Les autres, ils sont comme il faut. Je fais ce qu'il faut pour leur plaire, mais ça sonne faux. Pas ma faute, si je suis mieux dans ma peau. Loin de la lumière et derrière le rideau. Ma terre à moi n'est pas ronde, je n'ai pas la bonne attitude. Je ne suis pas fait pour ce monde, oui rêver j'en ai l'habitude. Rêver j'en ai l'habitude. Pour m'évader, changer d'altitude. Accroché à ma solitude.
Mesdames, mesdemoiselles, messieurs, toute la troupe de Molière, le spectacle musical, est heureuse de vous accueillir au Dôme de Paris.
Donc surtout ne vous empêchez pas de rire, de taper des mains, d'applaudir, de crier, de chanter. Voilà, il faut que ce soit une représentation magique pour nous.
Bon, on en pense quoi? Je peux avoir vos avis un peu? Je te préviens, ce soir on va faire un avis ensemble.
Oh non.
Mais si, je suis tout le temps tout seul. Moi je dis qu'il danse très bien, que le début était un peu précipité, genre très précipité, mais le deuxième quart on va dire, c'était très très bien. Très bonne chanson, il chante extrêmement bien. Et on a eu une frayeur parce que... Ça ressemble beaucoup à Hamilton en fait. Il s'avère qu'à un quart du show, ils s'arrêtent, ils ferment les rideaux et ils disent problème technique. Et nous on a un petit déjà vu de cette expérience. Ah Emma, il s'avère que quand on est allé voir Hamilton à Londres il y a à peu près 1 an et demi maintenant, pareil, milieu du show, on arrête et ils nous ont arrêté notre show et on a dû rentrer chez nous à moitié du show, donc on n'a pas pu voir le show. Donc on s'est dit on est curse et ça va encore arriver ici, mais non, ils ont repris le show. Il s'avère que je pense que c'était un problème de décor puisqu'on a vu qu'ils ont refait le sol. Voilà, je raconte ma vie mais On est content. On est content. Non, c'est très cool.
La prochaine comédie musicale.
Et maman regarde la prochaine comédie musicale qu'on va voir. Mais les décors sont pas si mal que ça. Il y a eu un espèce de changement de décor à un moment donné qui était très cool.
I love the way it flows. I love the way it grows. There's something in this.
So I am now at my grandparents' place. The show was really cool. Then we had a problem. So about 20 minutes in, let's say, the show stops. Curtains close. A little flashback for those who do not know. I went to see Hamilton about 2 years ago now in London. We ended up not seeing the show. We're seeing only not even half of the show. We had to stop the show and go home. The minute the curtain closed earlier, I was like, oh no, we're cursed. Hamilton all over again, we're gonna go home. But no, they managed to go on. I think there was a problem with the floor. What else? The show was really cool. Very close to Hamilton, I'd say. But for a French musical, I was really surprised. Once the technical problem was solved, I had the feeling that it was way better. The ensemble is insane. The singers do dance a lot, and there's a lot of dance numbers. I think 3 actors that kind of struck me. First is Molière, so the principal character. He's called Petit Homme. And he's Canadian. He's insane. He can sing so well. He can dance so well. He was on stage the entire show, a bit like Hamilton. The second one was La Marquise. She was insane. She has the best song in the entire show, which is called Moi Je Veux. Her voice was insane. Really, really cool. I don't know. I just really, really liked her. And then the third one, I really liked. What's his name again? Prince de... Can't remember his name, but him. He was really amazing. I really liked his attitudes on stage. He was present, he was here. I do have to say that I regret not having all of the songs because the show is 100% slam, and on the cast album we only have like 10 songs, which is nothing. So I really wish we had the entire show. I really wish we had the song because I want to listen to them. They were so good. I'm going to go eat because they are calling me. I will show you the program after because I was a bit disappointed by the program. I will tell you why and I will show you just after.
Après, il y a des gens qui gravitent autour, évidemment. T'as les...
Of our memories, it's a great
Il y a
one.
trop Mimi. Ah, fais attention, ah oui. Ah,
ouais.
t'as été pour vous deux.
Breaking myself down,
Chacun.
breaking myself down a bit too much.
Forcément. Ah, mamie.
I'm eroding, I'm eroding my sense of pride. Crossroading, at a crossroad in my...
I am now about, I'd say, a month later, but I realized that my mic was not working when I recorded the program and we cannot hear me at all as I was whispering in my grandma's house. So I'm gonna show you quickly the program now here because I wanted to talk about it. So here is the program. It's kind of cute, kind of cool. It was expensive. It was like 20. I find it really expensive, especially for one that wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. There's cool stuff like the story with a few pictures. Here is the track list of the show, so many songs. These are the songs on the album that we can listen on the cast album. That's it. That's all that we have, and I find that stupid in a way. I want to have them all. There's 56 songs in the show. I wish I had them. Anyway, so the story of Molière. So here is Petit Homme. Then they show the creatives. So Davatia is the same guy who made 1789, Les Amours de la Bastille, which was my first musical. And then there's a few pictures, but honestly I was quite disappointed in the pictures. Look, they're not even full pages and I don't feel like they're nice. I don't think they're good pictures, I'm sorry. Even when they're like presenting the characters and the actors, look at this picture. It's not bad. I don't think it's the best, and there's definitely other moments in the show where we could see him way better. The only full page of picture that we have is this one. I have to say something about that. Give me a full page of action during the show, not a cast. Put that at the end. Don't make it the central part of your book. I don't know. Feels weird. And the thing that I have to say is I love reading about what actors have done, where they're from, and we have nothing. We only have the 5, I'd say, or 6 maybe, principal characters, like the main characters. But the other ones, there's like one picture, their name, and that's it. Tell me where they're from, even the dancers. Look, the ensemble, there's so many people on this show, and they have space to do it. It's not even a lack of, the program is too small or something. They have a huge program that is 20 euros, and I don't even have the school they studied in, or even if they did something completely different, I don't care. I love reading about them. Look at that. The full page is like 6 pictures. I don't know. I don't like that. And I love having a program for its, photography aspects and its visual too. And I'm a bit disappointed in that. Oh, and the last thing. Oh my god. So they have a poster, right? Like every single show. This is their logo, but the poster that they put on every subway and everywhere, it's this. Look at that. That is not good. And usually there's the M, like here on him. We cannot see shit. There's too many information that is not... I hate this. We can't see anything. They're not even looking... It's... No. No, I hate it. I love the show, but there's just some creative choices that I don't think were the best. But anyway, the show was amazing, really good. If you have the chance to see it before it closes or when it comes back or it's going on tour in France, go, because it is really cool and it is fresh and it is very young. So go see it. And I am going to do something very cringe right now. However, the actors all do it on stage, so I'm gonna do it now to say good night. Get it? It's the M for Molière.